Now, in online business opportunities, now we are discussing about part 2, that is Amazon selling. While the working conditions of Amazon's employees regularly come under fire, thanks to services like Amazon Fulfillment, it is easier than you might think to sell products from home, since Amazon will pick, pack, and deliver your orders for you. The service can even enable you to import and export outside your home country. Other opportunities include self-publishing ebooks. You can learn more about writing books that sell here, and affiliate marketing, which involves linking to Amazon products from your website and earning a commission if a link is clicked and a purchase made. So Amazon selling is also most important. By that you need not have a supermarket in a big center with lakhs of rents and all this. So if in your home also you can sell your homemade products, and you can keep a room for those making and packing also. Once packing is done, Amazon will do the business on behalf of you. If any customer is clicking the one product, that product related person like you, they will send the information. Once the order is ready, once if you phone it, they will, their persons, selling persons will come. They will bring the order and they will do the and packing also. They will give certain people as in certain occasions they will say packing should be done likewise and with labels and all this. If you do all these things correctly, then they will deliver everything and they will bring everything. Picking is their picking, pick, and that is picking, packing, and delivery is their risk. Generally, the packing will be done by the Amazon store only. That is the preferred store of your online business. So you can store it. Likewise, in Amazon also, thousands of stores are there now. They can sell it and they can do it very well. Opportunities, other opportunities include self-publishing ebooks and affiliate marketing, which involves linking to Amazon products from your website and earning a commission if a link is clicked and a purchase made. So likewise, you can homemade products also you can sell from your home itself very comfortably. But basic transportation should be there from to reach your home and to pack things and to go there. Packing also they will give the order details and everything to you to message. Once if you according to that message, if you type everything and print it, that label and all these things, they will come and immediately they will pick up and deliver the things likewise. So you will get very good income also. In the not only in India, in the entire world, so many Amazon stores depots are there. So they will product their own products. They will produce their own products and they will sell on behalf of Amazon online website. So likewise you can do very well. Wish you all the best. May God bless you.